Hi, my friend. Did you know that almost 20% of businesses fail within their first year due to avoidable mistakes? Whether you're just starting your company or looking to scale it, avoiding key pitfalls is crucial to your business success. So in today's video, I will cover 10 common business mistakes that can cost you time, money, and even your company. So stick around because we will share how to avoid these pitfalls and set your business up for long-term success. For those that are new here, my name is Davis, and thank you for clicking on this video. So the first mistake to avoid is poor business planning. Many entrepreneurs, when they are starting their businesses, this is one of the mistakes they make. Poor business planning. They tend to avoid planning for their business. Having a solid business plan is like your roadmap to success. Just picture this. You are planning to travel from a point A to point B, and maybe it is a long distance. It may take you hours to reach your destination. What is the most wise thing to do is to plan ahead, where you will have some breaks as you drive, where you'll be able to rest and refuel your vehicle. You may need also to check your vehicle if you have enough fuel in it, enough water in it, coolant in it, that will allow you to reach your destination. The same way applies to business. As someone starting on a journey, you may also plan ahead which routes are better to use. Because if you use congested routes, you're going to encounter yourself in traffic. So planning ahead is very important, not to have these unnecessary inconveniences along the way. The same applies to businesses. If you have poor business planning, it is going to cost you a lot. You will not know how to pivot as you go on in your business. So it is very important to have a solid business plan. Your solid business plan is your roadmap to where you want to go. No pilot jumps into a plane and just flies the plane wherever they are going. If you don't have a plan as a pilot, you'll be in the sky going up and down until the plane doesn't have any fuel left. And maybe you overheat the engines. And what happens, we all know, if there's no fuel in that plane, for sure that plane is going to come down crashing. The same applies to business. You need to have a solid business plan. This is where you can look back on, check where you are and where you want to be. And actually you can split whatever milestone you want to achieve into manageable tasks. Like it can help you know what to do when. And then you can measure where you are compared to what you planned. So it is important as a business owner, or even you're just starting your own business. I am talking from experience. I owned my own restaurant. So I'm talking from experience. These are some of the mistakes you need to avoid. You need to plan ahead. And how do you do that? Come up with a solid business plan. It will help you to manage all those inconveniences along the way. The second mistake, common business mistake that you should avoid in your business, whether you're just starting or you're just scaling your business, is ignoring risk management. We all know that any journey, even when you're driving from point A to point B, there are many other things that are going to happen along the way that you did not anticipate. That's why it is important not to ignore risk management. As a business owner, you need to plan what are the potential risks along the way. There may be opportunities and there may be threats. So you need to be able, using a blueprint of how you're going to manage those risks. If you encounter such a risk along the way, you will know exactly how to pivot. You will know exactly how to handle such a risk. You will not be taken unawares. So it is important as a business owner to come up with a risk management plan. If you don't do that, you'll be taken unawares. And if that happens, you may find yourself struggling as a business owner. The third common business mistake that you need to ignore is neglecting financial management. Every business that starts, we have the aim of generating revenue, generating profit. If you don't have a good financial management in place, you'll never know how much money is coming in and how much money is going out. You need to plan ahead how you're going to manage, how you're going to portion the money that comes in, how you're going to strategically have money, maybe a buffer, right? When you have any difficulties, you have a buffer to fall back to. Because we all know we get surprises as business owners as you go along. That's why it is important that you know or come up with a financial management plan. And that financial management plan will help you mitigate certain financial risks along the way. You can never tell when any machine will break down. You can never tell when you need to hire more people. So you need to plan ahead. What kind of cash flow will you be dealing with? You have to know how much money will be coming in, at least a projection, and how you'll be spending on that, on the bills, on the supplies, to name but a few. So come up with a good financial management plan. This will help you to be able to steer the ship along the way, which is your business. It is very important because it is one of the mistakes that some of us have made. Without you having a solid financial management plan, you will end up tapping into your family money. Your family money, you need to divide those two. Also, one thing as I talk to you right now, most business owners, they fall into the problem that's a problem on not separating the accounts. You need to have your personal account, financial account, and you need to have a separate account for the business. So don't neglect financial management. The fourth mistake, common business mistake, is underestimating the importance of marketing. You may start a company, but as long as people don't know that you exist, you will be nowhere. Even starting a YouTube channel, if you don't find ways to continually improve, people will never know that you exist. Coming to business side of things, you need to find out, where do your customers or potential customers, if you're just starting your business, where do they spend most of their time? Which kind of social media are they on? Which platform do they usually use? Is it Facebook? Is it Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube? By identifying which platforms your customers are on, it will be helpful you to target your marketing campaigns. So you need to come up, you should avoid neglecting having a marketing plan in place. Marketing plan is like a megaphone that you use to shout, hey, I'm here, and this is what I sell. This is how much I sell it. In that way, people will know that you're there and you're providing a certain product or you're providing a certain service. So please do not neglect or do not ignore marketing. The 5 common business mistakes that we all commit is lack of leadership. Let me tell you, whenever you have a vision as a business owner, it starts with you. And you come up with ways to handle everything in the business. From being a human resource, to being able to do payroll, to file taxes, then you're running the show. You have different hats. But let me tell you, that can lead to distraction, to destroy you because you'll burn out, right? That's why you need to develop good leadership skills. Know where you are so good and where you lack, where you need help. It is not bad, and it is very wise to get more wise people than you. People that are good at the things where you're not. So don't think that you're the only one who is able to do things better. There are many people out there that can do an excellent job. For example, I have the skills to edit videos, right? But I believe there are other people out there that can do a better job. So by identifying where you need help, it can help you focus on the most important things. Just like you being a business owner, you should focus more on steering the whole team towards the direction of your vision. Please avoid that mistake, lack of leadership. The sixth one is ignoring customer feedback. I will tell you one thing. Many businesses have come crumbling down because they ignored customer feedback. Any customer who comes to your business, to your establishment, they are looking for an exceptional experience. You need to give them that exceptional experience. When they leave a review, if it is on your social medias or on your website, make sure to receive, if it is a criticism, if there's where you lack or something that happened, deal with that promptly. Customer feedback is very, very important. If you don't act on it, it can bring your business crumbling down. We've seen videos that go around where customers are talking about a business or reviews that were left on websites that have damaged businesses. Please don't ignore customer feedback. Customer feedback can help you actually improve your systems, improve your service, and be on a certain level of competition. Don't ignore customer feedback. The seventh mistake, common business mistake that many business owners do, is actually over expansion too soon. One of the things that when we start business, we have the vision to expand. We would love to be in all places, to go to all different countries. Let me tell you, if you don't have proof of concept for your business and you try to expand so soon, you will stretch your resources so thin that you find yourself crumbling down. It is wise to not expand too soon. Prove your business concept. First, prove your business concept first. Where you are, create systems in place that even when you're not there, things continue running the same way you would like them to be. So don't try to expand so soon, because you run into danger of where you're stretching yourself so thin. First, you cannot be in all places at the same time. You don't have enough resources, say financial resources, even human resource, to be able to expand rapidly. So it is wise, take your time. There's no need to rush. Take your time. As you see that there's need and probably you've outgrown the space where you are, then yes, you can think about opening other branches. Don't try to have, you want to be part of those that open franchises without proof of concept. Don't fall into that trap. The eighth mistake that we business owners should avoid is not adapting to change. We surely know that in business, there are many things that are going to happen, unexpected things that will come along the way. We need to be able to adapt to change. Sometimes we're going to have markets tanking, going down. How are you going to handle that? Maybe crisis, maybe pandemics. You need to be able to strategically align yourself that if anything ever happens, you're ready to adapt to change. It may be people that are coming into your business, people that are coming to do what to help improve your business, right? You need to be able to adapt. They may give you good ideas. Listen to them. Once you listen to them, you're able to pivot your business for success. Please don't ignore change. You be prepared to adapt to any change. The ninth common business mistake that we all fall into is failing to build a strong team. One can be as good as their team. There's that saying. Whatever you're doing, if you're a project manager, business owner, whatever you do, you can only be good as your team. So do your best to build a strong team around you. These are people that will go miles for you. You need to train them. You need to delegate. by delegating, you are saying, I trust you with this task. Run the show. And once they run the show, please praise them. Praise your people that do a good job. It may be through different incentives, through bonuses, but praise the people in your business that help you run your business to become financially successful. Please, I ask you and I request that don't fall into that trap of not building a strong team. A strong team will help you go further. The scripture says that one will chase 1,000, but two will chase tens of thousands. So don't avoid investing in a strong team. The 10th common mistake, and this is the last one, is not focusing on customer retention. We were talking about focusing, ignoring marketing. You've drawn in more new customers. Once they come through your doors, what are you going to do? You need to find a way to retain such customers, because a happy customer will be your loyal advocate, your loyal customer that keeps coming back and advocate for you to bring new customers into your door. Please don't ignore customer retention. You may spend lots of money on social media, running ads, Facebook ads, to lure in new customers. But once they come, find a way through exceptional customer service to retain such customers. Please, if you do your best to avoid these common business mistakes, you are going to be successful. There are many other mistakes, but if I would do or go through all of these, this video will be so long. So if you're looking to start businesses at your home, you're just at home, you're thinking, how can I start a business for myself where I don't have to invest a lot of money, but something I can do at home? I have a 9-to-5, but I can come and start another business, my own business at home. Then watch this video on my left. You will be shocked that there are many things that we can do at home and then bring in new streams of income, bring in new money into our home. So if you enjoy this video, please smash the like button. Subscribe to this channel for more content like this. Thank you again for stopping by. Until next time, God bless you.